Hey guys, I'm back with my first Mighty Beanz review. Today, I will be unboxing one Series 2 Mighty Beanz pack. And I'll be showing you the beans that I got inside of one that I already opened, which I'm trying to keep together right now. I already opened it. You can see it moving around. Yeah. Alright, I'm just trying to keep it like that. Okay, I'll show you that now. Okay, the visible bean was the number 179 race car fan bean. And there's that. Then the truck. Okay. First we have the number 174 chinchilla bean. It's a cat bean. Yeah. Second one we have number 118 bird lady bean. Got some wires there. Cage. Yeah. Then for the mega bean, I have number 116 librarian bean. I hate it when this one doesn't focus. You can sort of see it. Okay. Then we have number 157 penguin bean. Yeah. Then our last one is number 200 alien egg bean. And that's our first pack. And the instruction manual is right here. There are all the beans. Okay. And then there's the back. It shows the games you can do. There's Bean Dive, Speed Bean Technique, Bean Dazzler, Squeeze Bean, Spin Bean Technique, Book Bean, Bean Boogie Dance Off, and that's it. Okay. And yeah. So that's the collector's guide. And then, yeah, so there's the first pack. Now for the opening of the second pack. Okay, here we go. Okay, our visible bean is number 207 king bean. Good beard. Yeah. And then our tray. First, we have number 130 pick and flick bean. And there he's picking his nose. There's boogers all around him. I don't know what that, let's see what. it doesn't really matter. Or it's from the nose beans. Okay. And then the second one we have number 139 hillbilly bean. Okay, there's a hillbilly. For the mega bean, we have number 141 pig bean. Then we have number 188 Davy Jones bean. Okay, then our last bean, we have number 168 Big Ear Dog bean. Sort of focus that time. And that is it. Here's the collector's guide. And yeah, that's it. And see you on my next review. Okay.